BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to enable the unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then scroll down and let's choose here settings. From the following list, you need to find and select the following settings. Let's choose here the security, it's under personal tab. Scroll down again and here let's find unknown sources and let's use the switcher. So here you've got the information that your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources, but if you are aware of this warning, let's tap OK, and you just allow installation of apps from unknown sources, so from sources other than the Google Play Store. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.